Hey, good morning. I get to say good morning because I'm recording this early. Good morning, fellow traders. It's Black Coffee Trader coming to you on the morning of Wednesday, December the 11th. I had one of the shortest trading days ever that I've had on my funded accounts, done in about 30 minutes on Apex. Just absolutely riding this bullish move this morning. So yeah, very good day today. About almost 3,100 in profit, 400 and we'll call it 425 across my 6 Apex accounts, and those accounts are way back up from where they were. I've got the two of the older ones are almost back to break even. This one account is down about 900, and the 3 newest ones are back, a couple $100 in profit. So definitely bounced back from the big red day tilt session that I had on Monday, yesterday, and today. We definitely bumped or got ourselves back out of that hole. Let's just jump into TradeZilla. We'll take a quick look at the accounts and where we're at. So today, 3,071.40 in profit, 81% win rate, which is very, very good for me, and just an excellent trading day. And as you can see, the last couple of days I did very, very well. 1,800 yesterday, 3,000 today, and that makes up the hole that we dug ourselves into on Monday. So we're up 1,800 or 1,100 on the week, almost 1,200, and we're up $2,000 on the month. One of the things that I also want to note, I've just never done this before, but if I go to Apex, today on Apex, I have a 100 Zilla score. I've never seen that before for myself. Win-loss, average win-loss, win percentage, profit factor results in a Zilla score of 100. Basically, 92% win rate. My average win-loss, $100 average winner, $3 average loser. The only reason I actually had losing trades, this is kind of funny because I took 4 trades with these accounts and all of them were winners, but 2 individual accounts got reverse positioned that I quickly closed, and resulted in one was like a $6 loss and one was like a $1 loss, and so the average was like 302. so it really skewed my average win to loss, and it made it look extremely good. Like, this wouldn't look this good if I would be 100% win rate. I don't know. It wouldn't have the same effect. So anyway, I just thought that was funny, but this is on Apex alone. Apex alone, 1,500 yesterday, 2,500 today, up 934 on the week. We lost 3,000 on Monday, so again, bounced back from there. On Apex alone, we're up $1,000. So that's obviously the main trading that I'm doing. Let's just go all accounts. So all accounts, 3,000 for today. And if I go for this month, we kind of see where we're at, up 2,000, 54% win rate, and that's about my typical. Average win to loss is skewed a little bit. One of the things I did this morning, let's go back to today. One of the things I did, I took the time to enter all the trades that I took on my UProfit account. I took quite a few to get that account in profit today, so that resulted in a lot more trades, but overall, we're very good. And I should probably do that and take the time to enter all the trades on the UProfit account so that this win percentage, average win to loss and stuff is actually correct. But anyway, it was a good morning. Now let's jump into the trades themselves. 4 trades this morning. Actually, let's back up a little bit. I want to talk about this move that I've been discussing over the last couple of days and how this happened yesterday. Remember, if you followed along on my channel, I was talking about this gap that I expected to fill as we potentially would see a breakdown below the 440s. That happened yesterday. We perfectly filled that gap. And what really happened, I think I talked about this yesterday. I didn't go back in this morning and rewatch it, but basically what happened is we had a move back out. We reheld this 440 in the overnight, and I think I said it yesterday that this probably has fueled us for a move higher. Did not see this, did not expect this kind of a move, but we had it, and trust me, we will take it. But wow, we reclaimed that 440, and off the CPI news this morning, this thing was on rocket fuel, and we ripped up a huge amount of points here this morning. I didn't even look at it, but right now we're trading at about 750, 760. So we've broken all-time highs again. In fact, that just happened even higher than where this yellow line, I've already moved it up for today. So this thing is just ripping. 760, and we opened this morning somewhere down here, I think. So we have about a 300-point move already today. But this was really, you know, if you've been following along, I mark out support resistance levels, looking for key areas of resistance support. We had these major holds. I expected that gap to fill. That happened. We moved back up. Now we held this level and we ripped to new highs. Now we are in the area where I don't like it as well. I do not enjoy trading all-time highs with no levels. So obviously we'll probably be adding a level here because this was the previous high, and see what this market does. It'll probably bounce back down to that level, whether that happens today or not. If it does not, I'll be looking for that tomorrow. But yeah, this becomes a little bit more difficult to trade as we see these all-time highs. So just want to be careful about that. Looking at the trades themselves this morning. So as you can see, this was the big rip up. And this is one setup that I really like. This is a hitchhiker trade and a key level retest. When I see these two align, when I see the hitchhiker where we have a move up, a pullback, long wick, green candle, I'm jumping in this situation, a long trade. And when that happens, as we have a break and a retest of a key level, that is almost a 100% winning trade for me. Now, because this happened soon after the opening, there was a lot of volatility, and I got out of that trade. I took a lot of my profit early because I was just untrusting. And honestly, to be very honest with you, I was afraid to take a loss. I really did not want to take a loss. Let's put it that way. Not that I was afraid to, but I really didn't want to lose. That's not the best way to trade, but that's where my mindset was at on this position and on this entry. So I got out of that trade with profit, about $100 in profit on that first trade. But what I really should have done is been patient, knowing that I have the level holding on a break and retest, and I also have a hitchhiker. I have two of my key indicators that were happening at that point in time. So I got out, but then we had this continued squeeze higher after this bit of chop city for a couple of minutes there, but then we had this squeeze higher, and this is technically a chase trade. However, as I was paying attention to ES and NQ, both of these were very strong. We had a very strong look, and that's what gave me the confidence as we started to break above this key level and hold it. I decided to go long again, and that resulted in a trade of over 2R. Very nice trade for me. I think this trade was over $200 and some, 240, 250 maybe. Actually, it might have been 270. But in any case, yeah, I got out all the way up here. But then at that point, I jumped in again on a hitchhiker here. See, once again, we cross a key level. We have a pullback, a wick, and then I jumped in long, and I had sized down at that point to only like 2 micros because I was up $300 and some in profit across all the accounts. Got out of that trade with another, about $30-40, and that put me at almost 400, or maybe it was put me right over 400. And at this point, I took one more trade on a single micro, got out for $15, and this, I really wanted to get above 3,000. And at that point, I had $525 in profit on my UProfit account, and these accounts were like 24 something. I forget what it was exactly, but I was at $29.95 in profit across all my funded accounts, the 6 Apex and the 1 UProfit. And I said, man, I want to get to 3,000. So I put 1 micro on, bit of a risky trade, put 1 micro on, kept a pretty big stop because I could afford to lose, $30-40. It wouldn't have killed my day at all. And I did get out of that. Now, granted, if I would have held, I could have got a lot more, but I just wanted to get above the 3,000 marker, and we did. So that was kind of more of a humor trade or a funny trade. But the execution of today and the way I played this morning was one of the better executed trades and trading days that I've had in a while. So I'm very happy with myself for just, reading the technical analysis, taking the time to study this, put these levels in, see what I think this market is doing, and then playing trades according to that thesis. And that's exactly what I was able to do this morning. So yeah, excellent morning. And I want to show you the UProfit account. Let me move this over, and I've got to sign in. blackcoffeetrader.com. You guys should know my email. I sign into this often enough on my videos. But anyway, so we're up 2,500 in profit, almost 26. Today is the 8th trading day. This will update tonight. And I have not had a red day yet. So it probably will happen. And I don't know, I'm kind of curious. Give me your 2 cents. Would you take a payout with this account, or would you keep trading it? I mean, I could take out $500. I could take out, $12.50. I can take out half of that, so I can take out nearly $1,300. So I would take out $500 or $1,000 or $12.50 probably, and that would mean that the static drawdown would go to $50,000, and then I would have whatever's left after I take whatever I take from the $25.75. Whatever's left is what my drawdown would be. So I don't know. I'm not. Part of me wants to take a payout just because I don't know what this whole thing is going to do with UProfit. But yet again, I've traded UProfit very well. I am extremely profitable since I've traded UProfit. I have not spent very much money. I think I've bought maybe 8 evals, 7 or 8 evals, 7 maybe. And I think I've had 5 funded accounts. Obviously blew 4 of them, still have 1 left, and I've taken out over 5,000 in payouts, I believe. I think it's over $5,000 in payout. So I don't know, just trying to milk this thing a little bit. This is not like my Apex account. So yeah, if you have a thought, I mean, share it. I'm curious, would you take a payout? Would you take something out, or would you keep trading it and try to build the account? So anyway, that's that. So yeah, I told you guys yesterday I wasn't sure on the channel updates how much of an update I will do, and I'm going to be busy for the rest of the day. So I decided, because I had a short morning session, I was going to do a quick update this morning and get this video out. So I'm not sure if I'll get it live before sometime this afternoon, but anyway, at least we have a channel update. So also yesterday I mentioned something about this affordable indicators, and they do have a 40% off deal going on right now. So the link in the description below gets you that discount, or maybe, do they have a code? Oh, I should have checked. I don't think so. I don't think there's a code. I think my link should get you that 40% off. So whether that's something you're interested in or not, just wanted to share that. And as far as prop firm deals going on with my code BCT, the best one right now is the Take Profit Trader. You get a 50K account, for example, for $102. If you pass it, take a payout, you get your $102 back. There's no fee for activation. So you essentially get a free account if you can pass it on the first try, and you take your first payout. So very good promotion from Take Profit Trader. And again, BCT gets you that deal and any of the Apex or Take Profit Trader. So again, thanks for using my code. Appreciate that. And yeah, we'll leave it there. Curious how you did today. Did you guys take advantage of this big bull run here this morning in the morning session? I hope you did. Feel free to leave a comment or leave a note in the comment section. Let me know how you did today. And yeah, have fun. Have a great trading day or days. Not sure if I'll have another update within a day or two, but eventually here over the next several days or so, I will continue to bring you updates on my trading journey. So we just keep marching forward. Hopefully I'm at a point where, we're at 16.5, which is not much, but it'd be nice to get that up to 20,000 for this year and then reset for 2025. Obviously, if you've been following along on my channel, I had a very, very tough summer, really. Late spring and summer was very difficult, did not trade very well, and so had no payouts until here in the late fall, early winter, so to speak. I started to get payouts again, and I'm trading better. So try to close out the year as strong as I can and then reset for 2025. So, all right, I'll stop rambling, but thanks. Appreciate you all. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate all you guys that subscribed. If you're new, feel free to like and subscribe, and hang in there, have fun, and take payouts. Until next time, take care, and so long.